So once you open up Adobe Bridge, this is the default workspace that you get right here. But you can also go ahead and access out different workspaces for different purposes. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto the Windows menu. And here you can see that Workspace is an option. And here you can see that Essentials is the default workspace that is selected. You can go to the Libraries workspace as well. That actually goes ahead and then lets you access out the libraries, as you can see right here. And then you got the content over here on the bottom, and you got the preview over here on the top. Similarly, there are other workspaces as well. For example, there's the film strip workspace, which allows you to have a big preview, and you can go ahead and access out your files from over here on the bottom. Then you can also go around over here and go for the output workspace right here, just like this. So you can select out the output settings as you like. You can go for metadata workspace so that you can go ahead and manage out the metadata of the files that you have right here easily. And then you can go around over here onto workflow workspace as well, which allows you to give task diagram right here, as you can see, just like this. And there's other workspaces, like for example, there's the folders workspace right here, which allows you to access out folders. If you want a big preview, then you can work around with the preview workspace. You can go for the light table workspace so that you see all of the files right here. And if I were to go for the keyword workspace, then you see all of the keywords right here. And that is how you can go ahead and then access out different workspaces as you like inside of Adobe Bridge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.